Hey, good day. We're going to talk about using interactive notebooks, but in a digital format because, hey, we're online and we got to be able to do this. Now, first, some of you in your classes may have used this before, this nice little composition book. And you did all sorts of fun things with it because you would either write your notes down, you would take in some um, definitions and words, and it would compile it all into a nice notebook. It's still a good idea. But, I got this, and I don't know if I can put this, or it doesn't work. But yes, we can use it. We can use what's called a digital notebook and still do some of the things that these nice little books do for you. So let's take a look at these things in our little discussion. We're going to talk about how to make digital interactive notebooks work for us. Um, First off, the first one we're going to look at is OneNote. Now, this is an example of what one of mine looked like as a teacher. By the way, teachers, if you're checking this out with your students and you are interested, I can put together another video discussing how I use it as a lesson planner. And you see all these nice little units. But it organizes it in a really nice fashion and puts your information where you can find it in a booklet form, table of contents, and it does it automatically. Now, OneNote is my digital notebook of choice. I have so many irons in the fire. I teach, I'm an administrator, I go to class, I have classes, and I have a lot of notes. And although I am a very proficient user of writing my notes and using like pens and all these fun things. In fact, you see, I love pens. I got a whole bunch. Like, yay, pens, fountain pens, by the way, they're really cool. But when I use these things, I still want to be able to have the ability to keep them in line. So OneNote is a place to do it. After this particular conversation, the slideshow will be available on the website. If you're interested in using it, here, click that. It'll show you and take you to this nice little video on getting started with OneNote. Of course, it also tells you about how to take amazing notes. Notice, oh wait, this guy has technology. He has his little, he has his tablet. There's a laptop. All of these things work with OneNote. So, as you can see, it's a solid notebook. It allows you to use it in your laptop, tablet, or phones. Windows users have more flexibility. One thing that OneNote has over a lot of the others, it's free. And for a lot of schools now, Microsoft allows for Office to be free to students connected to certain schools. And so that's a really nice concept. A little bit stripped down, but hey, it does the job. They're competing with Google Docs and all that stuff, and I think they're doing a pretty good job with it. But notice that there are handwritten notes here. All right, yes, they're handwritten. You can take a picture of them. There are programs that allow you to do that. I'll do that in a future video showing you how to be able to transfer your notes onto a digital format with ease. Thanks to our technology, it makes that happen. The next one you can use is Evernote. Now, Evernote, I used this back several years ago, and that OneNote was clunkier and didn't do some things, and so I jumped into it and noticed that, hey, look, I can sign up with Google. So students, if you have a Google email address, which you probably should have, in addition to any other, this will allow you to do it for free and make it easy. So again, here's that nice little template. Again, Lady or the Tiger, Cornell template, and it allows me to do several things. Now this is the, again, stripped down version. In the bigger version, I can actually do a lot more. I mean, this one is the free one. Students get a reduced price, so around, I think it's around $250, $275 a month, in order to have a monthly access. But hey, it allows you to do a few things. You can record off of it. You can organize yourself pretty well. There's a video showing this as well. Using the paid or free version, students can take pictures of their notes or type their notes and have them in an organized setting. Now remember what I told you. Again, you see that, oh look, I mean, like, here's my notes. I mean, I take these notes visually. I like color, and I like to be able to do it. And again, we're not getting into a whole bunch of brain studies right now, but there is a really big connection between able to take notes down, use colors, and be able to retain that information. Again, we're trying to do this on a digital setting, and that's what we're again doing here with items such as Evernote and the like. Again, if you're interested in Evernote, there's a nice little video that you can check out. The next one in the offering is Google Keep. Now, honestly, I haven't played with it much. It is relatively new to the scene, but in Google, they'll catch up. They'll get the Google Docs slides. This will be a part of it. We'll see what they do. It is free. Again, if you're interested in Google Keep or the like, it's here. There's a nice little video on how to use it. especially for I have students who are heavily Google oriented. They love diving in. They want to use all things Google. Don't use the establishment, of Microsoft and Apple. So this is an opportunity for you to do these very things. So again, these are all available for you. We want you to have opportunities online to be able to do these little fun things. Use this online. This is your job. I'm going to help you with more during the course. And of course, hey, we're heading into a particular unit. Use this. Use it well. Thank you for watching.